Hi everyone, Shauki here with a new review video. Today I'm going to review Email Exploder. As you can see here, I had the chance to get a review copy uh, of this product, Email Exploder. So I'm going to demonstrate to you what it contains. Okay, after you purchase, you will see this interface here. It's a members welcome area. This is the owner of the product. As you can see here, infographic, copy cake. You can download this infographic in JPG file format. I think it's infrastructure, mindset, open braid, processes. Okay, the main content of this course is here. The videos. This is an introduction video. Sorry, no introduction video, but it's. You can skip the introduction if you want, and go to the sub-segment email marketing sequences. The simple segmentation process for mailing to your email list without pissing off your prospects. You can also download this video in PDF file. The video file funnel segmenting. Sorry about the internet connection, but
if you are using video sales hub
and the multiple choice email segmenting. Segment your list by using multiple choice email. How to separate your buyers from cold leads like pro marketers do. As you can see, you can download in a PDF file. The product launch segmentation process. Segmentation based on action or SPA. And the last one is 301 segmenting. It's not available yet, but it's coming soon, as you can see here. As you can see, you can even segment your list using external pages from any website with 301 redirect option. This feature opens many new possibilities and will add a full report and video soon. So it will be available soon. I am recording this video one day before the launch date, so it's not available yet. I think it will be available on the launch date, so don't worry. Here is support. If you have any question about this product, you can email the support desk. This was a quick overview video of Email Exploder. I hope you liked this video. If you want to get Email Exploder, you can click the link below this video to get your own copy. Thanks for watching my video. I will see you next time, and goodbye.